I know I'm going to be cleaning up in the garden today, and you're going to have some great treats. Yes, you are. You're going to have some great treats today. No, I'm not going to let you out to roam in the garden, but I'll let you out back here. Oh my goodness. Nobody escape on me. I got a couple of really good escape artists. Come on, ladies. Come on. You want to go out? You sound like I'm talking to my dog. You want to go out? Come on, girls. Here we go. There they go. Oh, one straggler. Noisy man working over here. Yep, here it goes. Ugh. Be careful! Sorry about that yell. Be careful, babe. Let's check on the babies. Whoops, I'm upside down. Let's check on the babies. Look. Oh, yeah. They're doing great. Am Samani's right there. I'm hoping one's a rooster. I have a friend who'd like to have one. Here's my guineas. They'll be ready to go outside probably in another week. And then the turkeys. Sorry, guys. I'm getting a little blurry here. Let me go back. Well, the turkeys. How's that? There they are. Talking with the guineas. What are y'all talking about? What your new home's going to look like? Are y'all trying to, discuss? Huh? You discussing your new home? Yeah, this place is just temporary, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, just temporary. Okay, my shed is really taking a hit since we turned it into the chicken sanctuary for now. Yeah, it has really taken a hit. But when these birds go out, it'll get a major cleanup and it'll be like nothing ever happened. Okay. Oh, good morning, Titan. Did you decide to join me? Okay, guys, before I begin any serious work, good morning, Bondo. What you digging at? Did you hurt your leg? You're licking it. I'm gonna have my coffee. is out there cutting trees, making things happen. I'm still slow moving. Here's why. Every morning, Monday through Friday, him and I are up between 4:30, 4:45. We have a cup of coffee, jump in the shower, get dressed for work, then we come down here and take care of all of the animals. Now, that's no different than a lot of people. I get that. But we want to make sure that they're all on point and have absolutely everything they need that's clean and fresh and safe for them for the day. Then about 6:05-ish, we jump in our truck and head to work, where we work until 4 in the afternoon. So we put in about 12-hour days, Monday through Friday. Then after work, if you watch my previous videos, you see working after work, what we do. And that's Monday through Friday, every day. So on Saturday, I like to sleep if I can, but I'm so used to getting up early, it's not always possible. So we get up, obviously have our morning routine of coffee and social and what we're gonna do for the day. And we set our goals throughout the week of what we're gonna accomplish on Saturday. Today was this area back here. For me, it's pulling the corn stalks out of the garden, pulling some rocks up that the chickens have put into their run, which I wanna get out. And it's also cutting my bulbs and getting ready to plant those for fall, which are the canna lily bulbs, getting ready to do those. And a few other things that I want to tend to out here in the garden area. And then of course assisting Ron back there. I'm a little bit more of a slow starter on Saturday than he is. He wakes up running, ready to go. I don't know how he does that. But anyway, I'm here to support him, talk to him, and do all that. And then I just kind of kick it into gear. And once I get going, I usually don't stop until my goals for the Saturday are done. Now, it's Memorial Day weekend, and we're closed on Monday. So, what is that? Long, wild hair? A gray hair right there. Look at it, sticking out like no other. Look at that gray hair. I don't mind gray hair. The Bible says it's your crown of glory. Anyway, I have some stuff to do today, and I'll try to capture what I get done. Well, I'm sitting here taking a break, looking at my garden, and you know what? The summer garden has really wound down. Ron's peppers are still going good, but, oh, sorry, I guess I should stop rocking. I ripped out the corn and gave the short little ears to the chickens. They're digging it. And I've cleaned my chicken run out this morning. And I was just sitting here on the deck taking a short break. And I went ahead and threw all the little corn pieces in there for them. And some weeds. Ron is still working on the hygge bed there in the back and the compost area. So, good morning. I hope your Saturday is going great, guys. In the back. Sorry guys, I've got a couple of hitchhikers here giving me problems. So we've got the log splitter right there and it's running, and we just moved to the sawhorse there for his cutting, and I believe he's back here getting some more. We have some logs we've put back next day. We got a tremendous amount of rain, and so it's a little noisy, guys, with all this equipment. We're going to be moving the shredder chipper today because our idea is in this area we've cleaned it out enough, so now when we're turning our compost with the tractor, we can come all the way around it and get it from all the sides. Then we're going to take the shredder, move it a little bit closer so we can then shred our limbs and stuff here. So we'll have our compost. This compost area here is going to be for this coming spring. The chips are going to sit and be allowed to decompose a little bit. I also pulled all the corn out like I told you yesterday, and I'm going to shred these corn stalks, and that's going to be on there. This is the hygge culture. I have been working on this for years. Look at that dirt. Look at it. That's right. And so I'll be pulling some of that out also and sifting it. Over here, Ron's took down 3 trees yesterday. He took down the 2 small pines that were right there. He took out a cedar and a small pine that was here. Now he's cleaning out all this wood. Here we're dragging it to drag a lot of the debris and stuff out of the way. Be cleaning this, and the reason we're doing that is we added a larger tarp to our quarantine area. We had originally put like a 10 by 12 or something like that, but it just wasn't big enough. So we got a 20 by 20, and we've been cleaning the area around it. Oh, Ron's deer stand. See that nice meadow down there? That was full of pine trees. I think he probably took 40 trees out by himself, and then he had somebody come and pull the stumps. But he's got a nice meadow going. But this is our quarantine area, and look, I really like the larger tarp better. Okay, and we left it open on the bottom for the airflow. Okay, and this is going to be our quarantine area for goats, new chickens, any new animal that we bring in, so we can keep them quarantined for a couple weeks. We can use it for goats, or can also, Ron has put a couple of boards in here so that chickens or turkeys or whatever can roost. I'll be cleaning this out, adding straw. I'll be cleaning this floor out today and throwing some straw outside here. In there is what I meant, is I'm going to put wood chips. But we have fastened it so we can open this side up, and then we can open this side up when they're larger. And we're putting the Premier One electric fence around it today so that when, whoops, time is right, we can open it and they'll have more room. Right now, he's hauling some of the wood and stuff over there to be split. Hey, Tucker. Good morning. Good morning. Oh, Tucker's 6 months old. Yeah. Yeah. And he's a good livestock guardian dog. Oh, yeah. He is so sweet and just so sweet. Okay, here's a view of the garden from the other side this morning. The sun just kind of giving it a little bit of a kiss. Yeah, it's looking beautiful. Yep, so we are really getting this area expanded and going to be able to make it more useful. Ron's trying the splitter out again. we got our Premier One fencing all set up around the area that we wanted. We worked for two days getting this area cleaned and prepped to move our first set of new life to and it's the guineas. I don't know if you can really see them in there, but there's 6 of them in there. And we got this Premier One, and the reason that we put this up was to protect them from anybody getting in, digging in to them. So we have this big area set up. I try to show it to you the best I can. Yeah. Now we're gonna leave these guys in here for probably 3-4 weeks. And then we'll open it up and let them out. And get the turkeys out here next. I don't think they realize they've got all this space. I'm real happy with how it turned out. Here we go. This is what we got done in 2 days. This entire area cleared. Yep. Ready for that right there. That's the wood we're going to